So, how to search for new construction homes in the greater Charlotte area, especially 55 plus. I'm Roger Holloway from ProStead. I want you to see this site that I have prepared for you. It's called showingnew.com / my name, Roger Holloway. Showingnew.com / Roger Holloway. Here's what's exciting about it. You can search all the new homes in the greater Charlotte area, whether they're golf course homes, homes with pools, 55 plus active adult homes, all the new construction ones without going into the model, without jeopardizing your ability to have a buyer agent. My team, I got 4 unbelievable buyer agents that can also help you list and sell. So what this does is preclude you having to go in and sign a form where they say, oh no, you can't have a buyer agent now. You didn't come in with a buyer agent. I'm inviting you into my model home. And it's all new construction at showingnew.com / Roger Holloway. Here's a cool thing to do. You just scroll down from the header. If you want active adult, right there. If you say, hey, my kid lives in Fort Mill, you're going to click that. All new construction in Fort Mill. All new construction active adult, 55 plus. All new construction by a golf course. All new construction, let's say your kid lives in the 28173, like Steel Creek. You click that zip code. Or a county. Say, my kid lives in York County. I'm talking 55 plus. Your kids stole the grandkids and they're out of here and you want new construction. And oh, by the way, you're retired or retiring and you want to know, this portal will help you so much. Let me just go for fun. Let's just go into the adult senior communities. Now, all of a sudden, you've got all of the neighborhoods current to this day. And I don't care whether you're watching this in 2026 or 2029. Right here, this is current. So this is a beautiful thing, guys. Here you've got lists of communities, then you've got homes. You've got Encore at Streamside, that's David Weekley and Waxhaw. Cresswind Wesley Chapel, or technically it's Cresswind at Wesley Chapel. Cresswind at Rocky River, technical name. But here we go. Now you can just get a quick glance. Oh, the prices at Rocky River's Cresswind are less than the homes at Wesley Chapel's Cresswind. So that gives you a peek right there. But this is not real information you want to get too excited about when you look at those numbers, because what do you really get for 460 at Cresswind Wesley Chapel? What do you really get for 403? So here's some more. By the way, Encore Streamside has the Classic Series. But over here, this is Encore Streamside, the Tradition Series. So those are 2 different things. This one starts at 488. This one starts at 580. What's the diff? This is where you can spend your time without signing in, because you're not signing in to the builder's website. You're signing in to Roger Holloway's new construction website. So here we go. More and more. There's another Encore. That's the one up in Harrisburg. David Weekley. It's great. Here's Pines at Sugar Creek, but that's the Journey collection. And that one starts about 556. That's from Toll Brothers. That's the new hot one. So you go from that one, 556, over to the Pines at Sugar Creek, the Excursion collection. So typically they've got like 3 collections. And this one's priced about 618. This one's 556. What's the diff? So here you can dive around at it. I hope I've made myself clear. This is pretty exciting. Now here's a new one that I have not seen, which is Addison Hill by Tri-Point Homes. They've had a lot of transition internally here in the last year. DRB Elevate, man, this is the one to get excited about, right? Yeah. This one's in Fort Mill. Did he just say right? Yeah. What did he mean by that? I meant everything. Everything I say has got meaning to it. For instance, I love Brook Run. It's new. DRB is short for Dan Ryan Builders. They're also building in the River District, but this is 55 plus because remember, I clicked on the tab that said active senior living. So here's something interesting. I haven't seen this much, if at all. DRB Elevate at Brook Run has single family homes. Good. But DRB Elevate also has villas 55 plus. And look, the pricing is almost 100,000 less. Now that's the first price. What I want you to not trip over is the fact that these prices are subject to, let me say it this way. I'm going to click into this one, by the way, the villas. Have you ever gone by a neighborhood, new construction, and it says from the 300s? If you're a subscriber to my channel, you already know what that means. From the 300s on a sign at a new homes neighborhood, yeah, it means the 400s. So this one's got pictures. These are like villas, which are, you know, kind of like a townhome on one level. This is pretty cool. And of course, these are the actors. They hire actors to shoot those videos. But these are pretty generic. They brought the actors in. They brought the actors in. They brought the actors in. That's okay with me. But by the way, guys, if you want to take a real good look at this, you can, number one, you can save this in your portal. At some point, I'll ask you to sign up. If you want to just sign up prophylactically, you can do it right here. Yeah, my wife was a medical professional. We use words like you do something in advance, early on, to prevent something else. You do it prophylactically. So that's that. All right, so then you come down, and then you've got the community, the neighborhood, community details, and then homes. Wow, so here you've got a list of homes, and you can at a glance say, I'm going to take my chance. This one's $490. This one's $465. And then we want to know whether it's completed or not. Now, by the way, you do want me involved. My team, again, you call me, reach out and say, have one of your agents reach out to me. And that's where the magic really happens. What I'm giving you is a website that's like going into all the model homes in all of Charlotte and being able to look without signing into the builder. Because when you sign in on this site, you're signing into Roger Holloway, baby. And all I want to do is serve you and help you find what's best for you. Now, if you want to click on community and neighborhood, it'll tell you more about it. Lawn maintenance, blah, 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 schools. If you want to know about the community details, you click there. And again, these numbers, the ones that we saw on the front page, remember, those are like the beginning base, no extra selections, no extra upgrades, no extra lot premiums, yada, yada, yada. And you'll probably spend more than $421. That's all I'm saying. In fact, in here, under homes, these are quick move-in homes. They're not $421. The lowest one is $465. $480, $493. Notice how I round up $10 at a time. But let's just say you wanted the nicest one. It's a quick move. And let's just go right here, and it pulls it up and shows you pictures, shows you the details, and then, of course, all those details. And then it's got this form. And I typed in another email of mine, but you type in yours, and then you can create an account. And this is so cool because, number one, the builder hasn't seen you yet. Don't go to the builder's website. Why? Because if you go there, if you fill out a form, if you call them, all innocent stuff. If you go into the model, sign the card, trust me, you don't want to do that without a buyer agent in your back pocket. And that's what my team does. And we want to get involved with you early on. So if you're coming down, for instance, to just look around, call me first. Call or text 704-345-3400. And basically what you do there is indicate that, hey, yeah, we'd like to shop and see if one of your team members would be a good fit for us. By the way, we're doing that too. We're seeing whether you're going to be a good fit for us because we're both interviewing for an opportunity to work together. So again, the builder's going to pay our fee if we're there at the beginning. Enough said. So by the way, just click on my smiling face to get you back into the front room of the place. Remember, you can always go down and search by features and amenities, active adults, by zip code, by counties, by cities. Like you may say, well, my kids moved to Rock Hill. No, my kids moved to Mint Hill. What's the difference, by the way, between Indian Land, that's in South Carolina, just south of Ballantyne, and Indian Trail, that's in North Carolina, southeast side of Charlotte. All right, so basically my kids moved to Indian Land. I want to see what new construction homes are available without going into the model, so I'm going to click Indian Land. Now, all of a sudden, you do have some 55 plus, and you do have some that are not. And it says price is none. I don't know about all that, but there you go. And so you can scroll down and see what's here. Like, for instance, here's a good one. These are some townhomes in basically Indian Land, if you want to be close to your kids. And these are new construction, Toll Brothers, good product across the street. There are other of the Taylor Morrison homes. There may not be any new listed. They might be sold out. You don't know. Again, that's why you reach out to me, and my team will put you on an alert. We can send you videos. But I'm giving you a way to shop all the model homes, y'all. And by the way, click on my noggin and see what you got. There you go, guys. So where is it? showingnew.com/my name. There'll be a link in the description below. I can't wait to talk to you very soon. See you in the next video.